Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first tutorial. Today we are going to create a profile card. This is what we are going to create in Flutter today. So let's start. This import here imports the core Flutter package that provides widgets like row, column, container, text, and so on. And then this main function here is the main entry of the application. And then this run app, which has this my app thing inside, is a widget. And this or any other widget passed into this run app is the root widget of the application. So let's start building the profile card. So class, which has my app widget, extends stateless widget. There are two types of widgets, which is stateless widget and stateful widget. Stateless widget is a widget which once it is built, it doesn't change. And it is used for UI that does not need any updates dynamically. Then the stateful widget can change based on user interaction or data updates. In case a user uses, if you want to create an application that updates automatically when a user interacts with it, you are going to use stateful widget. But if you are creating an application where the user the information, or once it is built, there's no changes doesn't happen to it, so you will use stateless widget. So for this profile card, we are going to use stateless widget, as once it is built, changes does not we don't make there will not be changes when a user interacts with the card. Const, which stands for constant, my app super dot key at override widget build bracket build context with capital B, then context return material app widget, which has the title of profile card. Then it has a theme of theme data, which has primary swatch, and the color for the primary swatch is colors dot blue. Home const profile card screen. So the reason why it is showing us this red scribble is because we have not created a class for the profile card screen. So let's create a class for the profile card screen now. Let's create a class for the profile card screen. Class profile card screen extends stateless widget, which has a constant of profile card screen. Very good. Which is super dot key. Override at override. Widget build context. Return scaffold. So the scaffold is like it's like a it's like the scaffold is like a container that will be shown on this screen. It will show on the screen. So let's give this scaffold a background color. Let's see it. Very good. So you see the scaffold. So let's give it a background color. Background color will be colors dot gray, which has a value of 200. Then child body will be center, which has a child of profile card. So let's create another class for the profile card. That is why this profile card here is showing us red scribble, because there is no class for the profile card. There's no class for the profile card. Class profile card extends stateless widget. Constant profile card bracket open super dot key at override. Widget build bracket open build context so this section, this is the content of the profile card. We are building the content of the profile card in this section. So return a container with the width of 300. So let's save it. And the padding const edge insets all with the value of 32. Decoration, let's decoration widget to design the container, the card container. Box decoration, color of the box will be colors. The C with capital letter C for the colors dot white. Very good. So now you see the container. It is occupying center of the whole screen, because here we said center body of the scaffold. It is containing center of the whole scaffold. Very good. Let's give it a border radius. Border radius dot. These are the different options for the border radius. Circular radius of 32. Border radius of 32. As you can see, the edges have changed. The edges have changed. Very good. So let's give it a shadow. We use box shadow widget. Box shadow. Box shadow. The color of the shadow will be color widget colors dot gray dot with opacity of 0.3. So let's save it. Then spread radius, the shadow. To spread the shadow around the radius, we use 4. Very good. Then let's add a radius blur. So let's lose blur radius. I'll give it an 8. Very good. So our container is coming together. So offset bracket 0 comma, and then we give it a 2. Save. So now let us continue with the card. So the card content will be child column main axis size, main axis size will be main axis size dot min. Very good. Children we'll have, so this is the profile image section. Let's give it a comment. Profile image. Container widget. Let's container widget, and the container widget will have a width of 40 and a height of 40 also. Then decoration widget to decorate the container. We'll use box decoration. Inside the box decoration, we'll give it a shape. We use box shape dot circle. We have different options: rectangle, circle. So we'll use circle, comma. Let's save it. So the reason why the circle is not showing here is because it doesn't have a border, because there is no border here. So let's add the border. So border dot on, and inside the border we'll have colors dot blue, comma, and with a width of 2. Set 2, enter 3, width of 2. So let's save it and see. Very good. So image widget, to const decoration image asset image bracket open, uh, asset. This is the directory where your image is saved on the Flutter package. In the asset folder, we have a file where we save the image, and the image is saved as Ukasha. The file is saved as image, and the image is saved as Ukasha under the file folder. So here we'll do asset, small letter A, assets slash image slash ukasha.jpg. So the container is too small. Let's add the size. Let's do 80 multiple of 40. Let's do 80 and see. Very good. So 80 is better. Let's use 80. Then here, the reason why the image showed here is because I have already added the image directory in the pubspec YML. So this is it. If you check your pubspec YML, you see this section. To add assets to your application, add an asset section like this, which has assets, which is the folder name, asset slash image, which is the file directory, and then image, the name of the image saved, how I saved the image on the Flutter package, which is ukasha.jpg. So if it is not correct here, as it is here, it will not reflect on your screen. So make sure you do that. Then let's continue. So let's remove this white line here around the image. Let's remove the white line. So do fit, which is box fit dot capital F, box fit dot. So these are the options: none, fit width, fit height, fill, cover, contain. So let's do cover. So you see the white line has disappeared. So let's continue on. So let's give a spacing between the image and the name. So the name section now. So const sized box of height 16. Let's save it. Very good. So let's move to the next section, which is the name section. So const text. You use the text widget, have quotation mark, the name Ukasha Adam. You can use any name of choice. So I'm using my name here. So let's style the name. Style widget. We use text style, font size of 24. Very good. So let's give it a weight. Font weight. Font weight. We use font weight dot bold. Let's save it. Very good. So let's give it a color. Color widget. So colors with capital C always. Colors dot blue gray. Let's add a padding. Const sized box of height. This is the height between the name and the bio. We'll do height 8. We'll do the height of 8. Come. So this section is the bio section. This is text widget. Const text, just the bio. My bio is UX designer. Flutter developer, open source contributor, and a gym enthusiast. Let's align the text correctly. Let's align the text well. So use text align widget. Text align. These are different options: text align vertical, text align center, text align end, justify, left, right, start. So we'll do center. Text align center and save it. Very good. So let's give it a style. Style text style of font size of 14. comma, then font color, color, colors dot gray, comma, and then font style, font style dot. Very good. These are the options: italic and normal. So we'll do italic. Font style dot italic. Let's save it. Perfect. So we are done with the bio section. Let's continue. Let's give it a padding of const sized box, height of 16, as between the bio and the social media handles. So let's save it. Very good. So now we are on the social media section. Social media icons. So we use row widget for this section. Row widget. Or before we build the social media icon, let's build a class for it. Let's build a class for it. So class social icon extends stateless widget, which final icon data icon, then final color will be color. And then a constant of social icon must have. This is the must have of the social icon. Whenever you're adding a social icon, to show you this data that you must add. Comma, required this dot icon, comma, required this dot color. At override widget build bracket open build context context again, return container widget. In the container, there is a key missing. In the container, we have width of 40 and the height of 40 also. Then decoration for the container will be box decoration with the color widget of color color dot with opacity of 0.1. And shape, box shape dot rectangle or circle. So if you are using the box shape of rectangle, you give it a border radius. So let's give it a border radius. Border radius. Border radius dot all, and then radius will be circular. Radius dot circular of radius 8. Then child widget will be icon. In the icon will have an icon, comma, color will be color, size will be 24. The size of the icon will be 24. So let's save it. So let's continue here. Let us input the icons. As we are adding the icons and saving it, the icons will be the icons will be appearing here. So row, main axis alignment is equals to main axis alignment dot center. That is the position where we want the icons to be, in the center of the card. So children, which is a list widget, will be social icon. Very good. Will be the icon will be font awesome icon. We are using font awesome icon. Icons dot Facebook. With the colors dot blue. Colors dot blue. So let's give it an opacity of 800. So the reason why it is showing red scribbles here, let us add an exclamation mark. So you see the red scribble has disappeared because of the exclamation mark. So this exclamation mark here, it is telling the operator that I'm sure of this value. The value is not null. The exclamation mark here is telling the compiler that the value here is not null. So yes, let's continue. Let me save it. Very good. So you see Facebook, we have the Facebook logo here. So let's give it a padding between the icons. Size, let's do const size box do width of 16. That is the padding between the icons. So let's copy this and then paste it here. So let's change this icon from Facebook to X Twitter. Very good. And the color for the brand is black. Let's save it. Very good. And then let's do LinkedIn. The color is blue also. Let's save it and see. Perfect. So let's do the next icon will be GitHub. GitHub. Very good. And the brand color for GitHub is black also. So let's edit this and then give it a black. Very good. So here, as you can see the icons here, the container has a border radius because the box shape is rectangle. So if you want to do circle, let us try circle and see. Circle. So let's save it. Very good. So the reason why we have this here is because we gave it a border radius. So it is because of this border radius, that's why we have this is overflowing. So let's remove this. Very good. So and another thing, these icons here, Flutter doesn't Flutter the this Flutter package material package here does not import these icons. So I had to import the icons separately, which is package font awesome flutter slash font awesome flutter dot dat. This is the package for these icons I used here, and I added the package here in the dependencies under the pop spec YML. Look at it here, dependencies. You come here, font awesome flutter. This is the name of the package. This is the name of the package. Very good. If you have any questions, a topic or another tutorial you want me to create, please leave a comment below. And if you found value in this tutorial, please do well to subscribe, like, follow and share with others, as I will be creating more videos in Flutter development and UX design. Thank you and have a great day ahead.